Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Good to see you all again. In this video, we will talk about how to transfer your earnings from EarnPe into your bank. Once you have shared the link and received your orders, it's crucial to transfer your profits to your bank. And this is where EarnPe shines, allowing you to transfer your income to your bank account. Step 1. Open your EarnPe dashboard. On the left side, click on the three horizontal lines to open the drop-down menu. Step 2. In the menu, you will see Payment and Cash section. Click on it. Step 3. Next, go to the payment details and enter your bank details. This is the bank account where you want to encash your money. Step 4. Once your bank details are added, you will receive a small random amount from EarnPe within 5 to 7 business days. Make sure to note down this amount because you will need it for the verification. An alert will appear on EarnPe homepage. Click on it and enter the verification amount you received. Step 5. Your bank account is now successfully verified. To transfer the amount to your bank account, go to the Payment Encash section and click on the Encash button. Your money will be credited to your bank account within 5 to 7 business days. Make sure your encashment section reflects the amount only after your earnings are confirmed, which usually takes 45 to 60 days. So friends, this was the simple and quick video to transfer your EarnPe earnings to your bank account. If you found this video helpful, then do like, share and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.